The two-day annual meeting of the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank concluded Wednesday in the Egyptian resort of Sharm el-Sheikh. During the meeting, the bank's Board of Governors approved the applications of El Salvador, the Solomon Islands, and Tanzania as its new members. Vice President and Corporate Secretary of AIIB, Roger Schucknacht, said the bank helps promote the sustainable development of its members. This is welcomed by the international community.
We are a well-accepted member of the global community, so more and more countries want to do business with us. They want to be our members, to be part of this community.
The AIIB now has 109 members. They collectively account for 81% of the world's population and 65% of global gross domestic product. During the bank's 8th annual meeting, AIIB also launched the Climate Action Plan, a milestone in the bank's ongoing commitment to combating climate change.
Besides connectivity, climate finance, promoting climate transition is another very important element of our corporate strategy, and this Climate Action Plan maps out our vision in this regard, including strengthening the role of the private sector and basically to help the world with mitigation and adaptation towards climate change and with enhancing nature and biodiversity.